You've learned to role-play. You've practiced reading subtle signals. You've explored gestures that mean wildly different things across cultures. Now, it's time to pull all of this together in a creative challenge that blends performance, critical thinking, and cultural awareness. Welcome to the Scenario Video Challenge. In this activity, you'll work in teams of 3 to 5 students to create a short series of video scenes, or live skits, that highlight how nonverbal communication plays out across cultures in real hospitality encounters. Each team will produce 3 distinct scenes, each featuring a different communication style from the Lewis model of cultural types. First, a reactive culture, such as Japan or Korea. Guests from these cultures often prefer politeness, quiet tone, respectful distance, and minimal direct confrontation. Second, a linear active culture, such as Germany, the UK, or Switzerland. Here, guests tend to value structure, efficiency, direct communication, and clear boundaries. And third, a multi-active culture, such as Brazil, Egypt, or Mexico, where expressive gestures, warmth, overlapping conversation, and emotional engagement are common and welcome. Each scene should include at least 3 nonverbal challenges or learning moments. 1. A gesture that is misused or misunderstood. For example, a staff member who greets a Japanese guest with a high five instead of a bow. 2. An issue with personal space. Perhaps the staff stands too close to a German guest or too far from a Spanish one. 3. A moment of adaptation, where the staff member notices a cultural cue, adjusts their behavior, and improves the interaction. You may film these scenarios using smartphones, create a short presentation, or perform them live for the class. Use simple props or signage to indicate context. What matters most is not the acting, but the awareness. Once all teams have shared their work, the class will reflect together. What made certain scenes feel realistic? Where did a cultural misunderstanding occur, and how was it handled? Were there situations where the staff member tried to adapt, but overcorrected? Were any cues missed entirely? This final activity brings together everything you've learned. It allows you to practice empathy in motion, to show how real-time adjustments in tone, body language, and presence can completely transform a guest interaction. You'll finish not only with cultural knowledge, but with a deepened sense of human connection. And in hospitality, that's the most powerful skill you can have.